Hey everyone, today we're going to the woods, quite literally. I'm trying to figure out which trail I want to take right now. For right now, how about we go down this way? This way. That's a giant tree. This, also a giant tree. Huh, I guess all the trees are starting to fall. Especially these big ones. Last time I was here, this one was standing all the way up there. Then it fell. That's okay. Looks like that tree fell. That's the reservoir. This is just a low little nature trail I'm doing, because why the heck not? Currently we are on Trail Green, or Green Trail. Pretty soon we'll be heading up to the reservoir. Over there's a giant ass tree. More tree. More tree. You know, I like tree. Wow. Fell. I know my hair is kind of messy. Currently, it is March. Or February, I'm not really sure. But I know yesterday it was February something. It's probably the 20th or something. I'm not sure. Actually, what is the day? Oh, it's February 28th. Yeah. Stuff. And here we're coming up onto the reservoir. We have found many, many shells at the reservoir. Now, I believe they lower the reservoir to about halfway. So that way during that halfway season during the winter, it doesn't freeze over. And so that way when they officially fill it up and stuff, they don't break anything. Stretches on for miles. Okay, we're heading back into the woods now. I didn't know you had a dog. Oh, we're back on the trail. So, I believe we came that way. Apparently we need to go this way. Onto the White Trail. So you have to be careful around here with those. But those are only in the more summer and spring areas. Tree on. Tree. Big mound. Tree. Now I believe we're getting up to my favorite part. We are. I love this part. Also, weird squiggly tree. Long tree. It's like a snake. Now, which way should I go? Here's all the birds. Now, we're not going to get too close to the river. We'll just get close enough to the point where we can at least be able to climb back up. not solid. The trick with finding solid rock to stand on in a stream is making sure it doesn't do this. This is a safe rock. Okay. We're heading back up now. There is a secret little path we could take. Close to the river still, but at the same time, it is easy to get lost in the woods. As long as you know where an exit is, squirrel, you're able to get your way out. Let's continue going this way. I will do a summer trail for this. Currently it is still considered winter, so I don't really see it as winter. Stuff. Make sure you know your way out. Make sure you know your way in. Look at all that. Look at all those shells. This one's still alive. Little stream area. It's really nice. Seems like something was nesting here. Something or someone. Better not go in. Who knows what's in there? That's a really cool looking rock tree thing. There's all the animals that are around here. Here's another little area. I'm not going to go down this one because it looks a little deeper than the other one, so best stay on the trail. This area is kind of short, but don't always trust what your eyes see. Because one wrong slip and whoop, you end up in the river. That's why I'm not going down there. More trees. We like trees. about we tap it on a few things just to make sure the stick works? It's very pretty. Stick. Vines. I like vines. Let's go check out that thing. Yes, very nice. It's really nice to just get out sometimes. We are about to end this soon, so if you are at this point, nice. Tree. Nice to meet you. More birds. Birds. Do not eat. Do not eat. Do not eat. Definitely do not eat. Very much do not eat. Do not eat. Do not drink. Unless you cook it first, I'm joking. Do not eat or drink anything you find in a forest. That would be a dumb decision. It is very nice though. I believe this about stops where the trailer stops. I meant, not trailer. Trail stops. So, I hope you all have a good day, evening, whatever time it is. I just hope you have a good one. Like and subscribe, please. Bye.